Hi, my name is Eric Landis. I'm the product manager for the Outback division at Keystone RV. I'm really excited to showcase the 2019 kitchen remodels that we've done on all of our ultralights. Part of that is an upgraded countertop. It's a press membrane top that has eliminated the T-mold at the edge. We've also incorporated a 4-inch backsplash to give it that residential look. We've also put a undermount stainless steel sink, a big basin for any type of dish cleaning, etc. Part of that upgrade is also a pull-out faucet so you can reach all the pesky corners of your sink. We've also upgraded to the Furrion 21-inch oven. It has very nice LED lit knobs, as well as a flush mount glass top, which increases your countertop space. We've also added the stainless steel hood vent, as well as a higher capacity microwave with the nice stainless steel accent piece around it. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.